Welcome to Macarium. In this video, you'll witness an extraordinary transformation. A couple takes an old military vehicle and turns it into a fully functional camper. But this is more than just a renovation project. It's the realization of a lifelong dream to explore the world in their own way, living in a home they crafted themselves. Once the heavy metal structure has been removed from the vehicle, the body frame is stripped down to its bare bones, and a brand new structure is installed to serve as the foundation for the future camper. Then fiberglass panels with foam insulation inside are cut and mounted onto the body frame. These panels are selected for their durability and excellent thermal performance. After cutting out the fiberglass panel, an aluminum frame is installed in the opening, and a camper-specific door is then fitted into place. Louis is stitching and screwing aluminum angles along all the corners to reinforce the joints and add rigidity. This process ensures that the camper's frame can withstand the vibrations and movements of the road. Once the openings for the windows are carefully cut out, double-glazed acrylic RV windows are installed to provide lightweight insulation and ventilation. These windows are specifically designed for mobile living, offering excellent thermal performance, UV protection, and resistance to road vibrations. Before the flooring is laid, insulation bats are installed between the structural supports of the floor. These bats help regulate interior temperature and provide a layer of soundproofing from the road below. Then the plywood boards are applied over the top to create a solid and level surface. This plywood subfloor serves as the foundation for installing flooring materials, such as vinyl or laminate. To begin dividing the interior, a wooden wall frame is being installed to define the space for the bathroom, which will include a portable toilet. The area is carefully measured to ensure there is enough room for both the bathroom and the storage space, where the plumbing system and the custom-built portable toilet will be installed. To maximize space efficiency, a curved wall is constructed using flexible plywood. Louis builds a plywood box designed to fit the toilet snugly inside, making it practical, easy to access, and simple to store when not in use. In this corner, a sturdy seat base for the large sofa is being constructed using aluminum tubes. It serves as a place to relax and provides extra sleeping space for family or guests. Louis is creating a crawl-through between the camper and the cab for safety in case of emergencies. As water pipes are routed through conduits beneath the floor and into the wall, the setup allows water to flow from the shower to the water heater and the water pump, both positioned on the opposite side of the truck. Waterproof membranes are applied to all corners to seal the joints, followed by a coating of the entire shower space to create a water-resistant surface. Afterward, the ventilation fan is installed for proper airflow. Louis is assembling a storage cupboard, purchased from the market, that will serve as a pull-out pantry for storing food, taking only 10 minutes to put together. What's a camper without a skylight on the roof? To bring natural light and fresh air inside, Louis cuts a large hole in the roof. But before the skylight is installed, the opening is temporarily used to move the fridge inside the camper. To power the camper off-grid, a full solar system is installed on the roof. Solar panels are mounted securely and connected to the electrical system to charge batteries that supply energy to appliances inside, like the fridge, stove, or even just the lights. A new frame for the sofa is being constructed using strong, lightweight plywood. This time, the design includes built-in storage beneath the seating area, a smart solution for maximizing functionality in a compact living space. High-density foam is cut to fit perfectly on top, forming the base for comfortable couch cushions. The team installs a custom-made roof rack equipped with 6 7-inch roof lights, featuring blackout covers for when they're not in use. To create a functional cooking space, custom kitchen cabinets are built and installed inside the camper. The drawers are designed to securely hold various items, preventing movement while the vehicle is in motion. They are equipped with smooth gliding mechanisms for effortless access and feature soft close technology to minimize noise and wear. The cabinetry is fitted with soft close hinges that help minimize noise by allowing doors to close gently and quietly. This feature also extends the durability of the cabinets by preventing slamming and reducing wear over time. A custom facade panel is crafted to cover the stove, incorporating some unique design elements that add character to the camper's interior. This beautifully curved shelf adds a unique, eye-catching touch while maximizing storage efficiency. Its small design elements bring a distinctive and attractive touch to the camper's interior, enhancing its visual appeal. Above the cooking area, a stove hood is installed to ensure proper ventilation, which is essential for maintaining good air quality in the compact space. With limited space available, every inch must be used efficiently to keep the living area organized and functional. Smart storage solutions, such as built-in cabinets, under-seat compartments, and multi-purpose furniture, make daily life on the road more comfortable. In small spaces, neutral tones create a sense of openness. Soft pastels underline personality, while darker shades add depth and contrast. These decorative wooden planks add warmth and character to a camper's interior, bringing a natural, inviting feel to life on the road. Practical solutions make living in compact spaces more convenient by maximizing usability without sacrificing comfort. Vinyl flooring is the best solution for a camper due to its durability, water resistance, ease of cleaning, and simple installation. To complete the kitchen space, a countertop is being crafted from a solid wooden board. Epoxy is applied to fill any cracks and imperfections, which creates a unique design line and visual appeal. Once shaped, the surface is carefully sanded and covered with a protective coating to improve durability and water resistance. Several types of protective coatings can be used on wooden countertops, each offering different benefits depending on the desired finish and durability. Polyurethane, epoxy resin, or hard wax oils are among the most common options. The choice depends on the balance between aesthetics and maintenance preferences. The natural wood grain adds warmth and texture to the interior, bringing a touch of elegance. After connecting the water lines to the sink and the drain pipe to the waste tank, all connections are carefully sealed and tested for leaks, ensuring the kitchen setup is fully functional and ready for everyday use. LED light strips are installed along the ceiling, serving both as a primary light source and a stylish design feature. All electrical fixtures are connected to the solar-powered system, allowing for efficient energy use and easy control. A bed is being built above the seating area, providing a space-saving solution ideal for the camper's compact interior. This elevated design maximizes vertical space, keeping the living area below open and functional during the day. To enhance the cozy atmosphere, Louis is installing an additional decorative lighting fixture above the sitting area. He carefully matches and secures all the wires, contributing to the overall safety and reliability of the electrical system. By keeping everything neat and properly fastened, potential issues like loose connections or wear are minimized. Louis adds a long mirror near the bathroom area, which makes Kyla very excited. For her, it makes the space more spacious. For easier and safer access to the camper, a sturdy platform is being constructed just outside the main door. Louis builds the frame using strong steel tubes for durability, then adds wooden pieces to create a solid, supportive surface. This platform will later be fitted with a ladder, completing the access point. Louis starts the process of soundproofing the truck cab by stripping the interior and applying a 3-layer sound deadening system. This setup helps reduce vibrations and minimize noise transfer inside the vehicle, making for a quieter and more comfortable ride. With all the windows and the door carefully masked by Kyla to protect them from overpaint, Louis begins painting the camper's exterior using the Raptor paint system. He mixes the durable coating with tint and activator to achieve a custom color. After applying 2 even coats, the result is stunning, giving the camper its final personality and presence. Now it's time to coat the roof rack and other steel parts in black, giving them a stylish finish. The combination of green and black perfectly suits the camper's adventurous spirit. As the final pieces come together, the camper truly transforms into a tiny home on wheels. Now the camper is ready to carry its owners on countless journeys, winding roads, starry nights, and unexpected adventures. Each mile promising new memories, moments of discovery, and endless joy. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and keep an eye out for more exciting videos coming your way soon.